What is unitary method? Unitary method is a way of solving a group of problems in variation. It consists of changing one variable to a single unit and then doing the operation needed to get the correct value. In this question, we know that the work is the constant and the men and the time have changed. So let's begin. We know that 8 men can complete the work in 6 hours. And we have to find how long it will take for 12 men to complete the work. So we have to do 8 over 12 equals 6 over x. And since this is inverse variation, we have to change it and make it 8 over 12 equals x over 6. And we have to bring 6 up over here. And now we write 8 into 6 over 12 equals x. And with simple cross multiplication, cancelling, 6 goes once, 6 goes 2 times, 2 goes once, 2 goes 4 times. Therefore, x equals 4, which means that the time taken for 12 men to complete the work equals 4 hours. John has 500 rupees and he can buy 10 similar pens. How many pens can he buy with 950 rupees? This is a direct variation problem. So we have to do 500 rupees. He can buy 10 pens. 950 rupees. He can buy an X amount of pens. So I have 500 equals 10. 500 over 950 equals 10 over x. Bring x up here, bring 500 down here, and we bring 900 up there. So now this equals 950 into 10 over 500 equals x. Cancel the zeros. Now 5 goes once, 5 goes 19 times. So he can buy 19 pens. Thank you. $150 men can build a bridge in 75 days. How long will it take for 75 men to build the same bridge? And for solving this question, we are using the unitary method. So over here, the work is the constant. That means the bridge is the constant. So we do 150 men can build a bridge in 75 days. And 75 men can build a bridge in the X amount of days. And this is an inverse variation problem. So first we have to find how long it will take for one man to build this bridge. So we do 150 into 75. 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 5 is 25, carry over the 2. 5 into 1 is 5, plus 2 7, put a 0, 0, 35, 3, 1, 0, 0, 5, 2, 1, 1, 1. So it takes 11,250 days for one man to build this. So to find how long it will take for 75 men to build it, we do 11,250 divided by 75. So it goes 0 times, it goes 0 times, it goes once, minus 75 is 37. Bring the 5 down, it goes 75 plus 75 is 150. 75 plus 150 is 225. 225 is 75. So it goes 5 times. Minus 375. This is 0. We bring the 0 down. And we put a 0. And we end it. So it will take 150 days for 75 men to build the same bridge. Dan bought 8 pens for 72 rupees. How much money will Dan need to buy 63 pens? So this is a direct variation problem. And so we're using the unitary method. So first we have to find how much one pen costs. So one pen would cost 72 rupees divided by 8. So 8 goes 0 times, 8 goes 9 times. Minus 72, 0. So one pen costs 9 rupees. So now we have to find how much would 63 pens cost. So we have to do 63 into 9. So if we do 9 into 3 is 27, 7, carry over the 2, 9 into 6 is 54, plus 2 is 56. So for Dan to buy 63 pens, it would cost him 567 rupees. Thank you. 27 men build the wall in 3 days. How long will it take 36 men to build the same wall? So we have to find how long it will take for one man to build the wall. So we do 27 into 3. 3 into 7 is 21. Carry over the 2. 3 into 2 is 6. It takes 81 days for one man to build the wall. So for 36 men, we have to do 81 divided by 36. So this equals 0 times 2 times minus 72, which is 9. Put a point, put a 0. It goes 2 times again, minus 72, which is 18. So it goes, put a 0. Now 180 divided by 36. So you have to approximate. So it equals 5. Because 36 into 10 is 360 and 36 divided by 2 is 180. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it takes 2.25 days for 36 men to build the same wall. Thank you. 18 men made a house in 3 days. How long will it take for 9 men to make the same house? This is an inverse variation problem, and we are going to use the unitary method to solve it. So first we have to find how long it will take for one man to make this house. So we do 18 into 3. So 3 into 8 is 24, carry over the 2, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2, which is 5. So it takes 54 days for one man to make it. So now we have to find how long it will take for 9 men to make it. So we have to do 54 divided by 9. So 54 over 9. So 3 goes 3 times, and 3 goes how many times in 54? 3 goes, let's think. Put your thinking caps on. 3 goes 17 times in 54. No, that's wrong. It goes 18 times. Then 3 goes once and 3 goes 6 times. So it will take 6 days for 9 men to make the same house. Thank you. Every 6 days, Muthu Raghavan grows 6 centimeters. How much would he grow in 72 days? So we know that this is a direct variation problem, because the more days you have to grow, the more you will grow. So this is a direct variation problem, and we are going to use the arrow method to solve it. So we do 6 days, 3 centimeters, 72 days, x amount of centimeters. So this goes up, so this goes up. So we have to do 6 over 72 equals 3 over x. So now we bring the x up here, 6 down here, 72 up here. So now this will equal x equals 72 into 3 over 6. See, 3 goes 1 time in 6, 3 goes 2 times in 6, and 2 goes 36 times in 72. So he will grow 36 centimeters in 72 days, which means he will grow 1.2 feet. Thank you. Every 25 minutes, Jake eats 5 donuts. How many donuts would Jake have eaten in 40 minutes? This is the direct variation problem, and we are using the unitary method to solve it. So we have to find how many donuts Jake would have eaten in 1 minute. So we do 25 minutes. Okay, so 5 divided by 25. So 25 goes 0 times, put a point, put a 0, 2. Minus 50. 0. So Jake eats 0.2 donuts in 1 minute. And so now we have to do 0.2 into 40. So 40 times 0.2. So 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 4 is 8. Put a 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 4 is 0. So it's 0, 8, 0, put a point. So in 40 minutes, Jake would have eaten 8 donuts. Thank you.